Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to stop or limit autoplay videos on Instagram, especially in your feed, reels and stories. So let's get started. First, as of 2025, Instagram does not let you fully disable autoplay, but you can reduce it by changing data usage settings. Here's how. First, open Instagram. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap the menu icon at the top right. Scroll down until you see the option called Data Uses and Media Quality. Tap on it. Here, turn on Data Saver. This slows down or stops videos from autoplaying unless you're on Wi-Fi. Right below Data Saver, make sure Upload at highest quality is off. This reduces media preloading and helps stop autoplay. But if you want to avoid Reels autoplay, go to the three dots menu icon. Then select Not Interested. This helps Instagram show you fewer videos. So while you can't totally disable Instagram autoplay, enabling data saver, turning off SD uploads and using smart workarounds will help cut it down. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.